Did you know that you could generate leads, turn on a stream of hot leads right from the comfort of your own home? Did you know that you could generate leads without ever leaving your house? Hey, Savanh here, guys, and I'm super excited to be here. I'm going to be sharing with you 6 strategies on how to generate leads right from the comfort of your own home, virtually online. And I'm going to be doing a comparison between how real estate agents have generated leads in the past, the old way, the traditional way, versus how agents can actually generate leads now, the new way, leveraging social media, growing their business online, and implementing a funnel into their business. The second strategy I want to talk about is prospecting. The traditional way is door-to-door telemarketing. You've seen that before, where agents will host an open house and they'll go canvas around the neighborhood, buying leads from telemarketers, buying leads from third-party marketing companies, Zillow, Redfin, those type of companies who are selling leads to agents. So that's one way of prospecting for clients. The method you can do now online is a version of going door-to-door, but doing it online. It's called direct outreach. For a good example, I had an agent that we trained last week. She went into a group that first-time home buyer. Instead of going into that group and spamming them, hey, I'm an agent, choose me to work with me, and because I can represent you as a first-time home buyer in Dallas. And instead of doing that, people kind of get turned off when you go into groups and spam them and solicit. All she did was added value. She would post things like, hey, did you know that as a first-time home buyer, there's this program or that program, you can do this. So she's just adding value. Occasionally, she would basically write things like, hey, who are my first-time home buyers here? And then people would apply. And then she would reach out to them, build a relationship with them first. Here's some rules and some laws. Here's some process changes. So she's adding value, and then by adding value, she then will reach out to them personally, say, hey, my name is Stacy. If you're looking to buy a home, Dallas area, if you want, I can also represent you. I know how to help you even more than what I sent you to represent you as a buyer. So that's one way of doing it. So instead of prospecting door-to-door, telemarketing, or even paying and buying leads, you can do your own direct outreach online.